Nung ikaw ay PCSO General Manager, nagtayo ba kayo ng STL party list?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nagtayo ka ng STL party list.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Anong pangalan ng anong ibig sabihin ng STL party list?
Samahan ng totoong larong may puso, Mr. Chair.
Samahan ng totoong larong may puso.
Yes, Mr.
69
Chair.
sa balota. Sige. Naglagay ka ba ng pondo sa STL Foundation na kung saan siya ang sumusuporta sa STL party list na galing sa PCSO?
No, Mr. Chair.
Stop lying. GM Garma, I know that you put money on that foundation.
No, Mr. Chair.
You put money from the PCSO. You put money.
No, Mr.
Stop
Chair.
lying. I will show you something.
I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Sige. Pakita natin yung yung unang pakita natin yung binigay na 2 million. And I will be asking the official of PCSO about the donation that was given by PCSO to the STL Foundation that directly benefited the STL party list. Because sa party list na to ng STL, pinsan mo ang second nominee. Am I correct? Marsan.
Yes,
Hector
yes,
Marsan.
Mr. Chair.
Tama?
Yes po.
And who is the first nominee?
I cannot recall anymore, Mr. Chair. Kasi
hindi mo alam ang naka-assign sa'yo. Wait.
Okay po.
Wait. GM. Sino-sino naka-assign sa'yo ng mga police during that time na ikaw ay GM? One is Narsolis, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Second is Lot Griar, correct?
Yes po.
Third is Jeremy kausapin, correct?
Yes po.
Chuck Borondong,
Yes,
correct? And Junjun Ubales, correct?
Yes, sir.
You know the wife of Chuck Borondong.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the wife of Chuck Borondong?
Yvonne, Mr.
Correct.
Chair.
And she is the first nominee. Hindi mo alam? Show it. Yes, police. Yan, tanda mo na. Wait,
Yes,
balik.
Mr. Chair.
O, tanda mo na yung STL Foundation that was created precisely to put the money of PCSO on that foundation and then directly benefited STL party list. Will you confirm it? Yes or no? Pupunta tayo sa malalim.
Opo, yes, sir, Mr. Chair.
Okay, go. Next. Para pakita ko lang sa iyo, GM Garma, na yung pagsisinungaling, pag sinimula mo yan sa una, dire-diretso na yan. And that's the reason why when we ask you to be truthful, we give you the chance. But you never grab it. And that's the reason why we told you during that time, hahanapin namin ebidensya. At ang ebidensya, as a matter of fact, hindi namin hinanap. Lumapit ang ebidensya. Balik mo sa dati. Ayan. Gusto mo basahin ko? Hindi. Ito si Ibon. Ibon Barandog, yan yung nakakulay green, na asawa ni Colonel Barandog. Colonel Barandog, is Ibon your wife? Asa si Colonel Barandog?
Good morning, Mr. Chair.
Is Ibon Barandog your wife?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And she is the first nominee of the STL party list. Am I correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Correct. Sige, balik natin. So, si Colonel Barandog, who was assigned, na detailed siya kay GM Garma, they created an STL party list. At yung kinreate mo nilang STL party list. And they also created the STL Foundation. Balik natin. Para mapakita natin that 2 million was donated. And I'll be asking PCSO, humanda na kayo, PCSO, tell us how much was donated for this STL Foundation. Ang STL party list facilitated through the STL Foundation, through the first nominee, Maria Ibon Kanya Barandog. Wait. A check from the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office worth 2 million pesos was turned over to Mandaue City Mayor Jonas Cortez. The 2 million is PCSO's calamity assistance to help Mandawes recovery efforts. Now, it goes through the foundation. Di ba? Sunod. Next. Namigay kayo ng bahay. Yes. Ang party list na pinangungunahan ni Maria Ibon Kanya Barondog at ng kanyang pinsan na si Hector Marsan, first cousin niya, nag-turn over sila under the advocacy program nila, Bahay Mo, Puso Ko, sa Barangay Malubog, Cebu City. Will you confirm this? That you donated through the STL party list? Yan yung bahay.
Ano ba dinonate?
Yes or no?
I cannot recall anymore, Mr.
Okay, hindi
Chair,
mo
but
ma-recall.
if there are documents, I may be able to confirm it, but I
Okay.
cannot remember.
We will be inviting the president of the STL Foundation, who is the wife of Colonel Barondog. Barondog. We invited her. Is she around? Your wife? Is she here?
Mr. Chair, we did not receive the invitation.
Okay.
It was only me.
Sige, we will be inviting over. Anong trabaho po ng asawa nyo, Colonel Barondog?
For now, Mr. Chair, a little business entrepreneur, Mr. Chair.
Anong business?
Beauty industry, Mr. Chair.
Can she afford to give houses? Kasi hindi lang isang houses tong nakita ko eh. 5 bahay ata yung pinamigay eh. And I will be showing it. Can she afford to give houses?
Mr. Chair, it was a non-government organization who donated that house, Mr. Chair.
Anong non-government organization na nagbigay ng pondo para sa pabahay? Can you kindly tell us?
Hindi ko... I will recall, Mr. Chair.
Or what NGO are listed